So this is an interesting video. I'm going to start out the day on my M1000XR. Manny's on the Ducati Multistrada V4RS. Michael Knight, yeah, he's on the Tuono, the Moto Tuono bike, and his good buddies on the Ducati. Another one of Manny's friends is putting some break-in miles, thank goodness, on Manny's mirrorless that I broke 2025 Panigale V4. But Manny will have the opportunity to kind of decide which one of the bikes he prefers best, the RS or the fire-breathing Dragon M1000XR. I think I know what he's going to pick, but we will leave it to him to ultimately make his decision. So, all of the 360 footage in today's video is supplied to us by our good friends at Insta360. We are using the Insta360 X4 camera with their GPS preview remote that allows us to stop the recordings, power on and off the cameras, and do awesome, cool stuff. The X4 also has image stabilization. It can record in 8K. It's an outstanding camera. But earlier today we went out, we rode the SuperSport bikes, and I'll tell you guys, so nice being back on a very comfortable motorcycle. Wow. And especially these fully modified SuperSport touring or Hypersport touring machines. Traffic, always traffic. That's the trade-off when you live in this beautiful place, Miami, is the traffic, guys. It's always insane. No worries, we have found a motorcycle / bus lane. Look at that. Huh, that's pretty cool. Jeep Cherokee. Yeah, so hopefully this bus lane will get us to where we're going a little faster. I'm wondering how Manny's enjoying that Multistrada V4RS. I'm actually wondering, because we're going to swap bikes in this video, I'm wondering how I'm going to like that bike too. I haven't ridden it in a long time. So Michael got me on a Tuono. I do think this bike was getting ready to skywalk him. We're going to find out when we get to Route 27. And that time I got him. Well, this video was originally supposed to be a comparison video of my M1000XR versus my Multistrada V4RS, but I just remembered I've already done a video like that. And so now Manny's going to do that for his channel and give you his opinion on which one he likes the best. And I'm going to focus on putting the smackdown on Michael Knight, our good buddy from Slovakia, that on Miami Manny's Tuono has been giving me the business so far today. But now we're on beautiful Route 27, where you can stretch the legs on these machines, and I am convinced then I'll be able to put the smack down on Michael Knight. We already know I can beat Manny on my RS. XR always beats, always wins. Pretty easy. I should give Manny a jump. I am going to give him a jump on my RS. That's the only way to really make it fair. Tuono beat the M1000XR. Never would have guessed it. But it happened. Fair and square. Oh, jeez. I'm almost speechless. I thought this bike would beat the Tuono because it has more wind protection. But the Tuono is lighter than this bike, and Michael Knight is lighter than me. Wow, I'm surprised. To swap bikes. Michael Knight is going to get off the Tuono, jump on my RS, and Manny is going to ride the Tuono. Michael seems to think he can beat me on the RS. Not going to happen. Yeah. So I finally beat the Tuono, and it took someone heavier than Michael Knight, in this case our good buddy Miami Manny, riding the bike in order for me to win. I like it. Clean victory. So Michael Knight, not a huge fan of my Multistrada V4 RS, although that is an amazing bike for the sport touring segment. He's not happy with the fact that I've slayed him many, many times on the M1000XR, sometimes giving him a head start and everything. And our Slovakian general here isn't happy about that. I'm happy because usually, because of our weight difference and social economic status and a whole bunch of other factors, credit scores, marital status, he usually beats me when we race. But today, at least on that bike, he did not win. He did beat me when he was riding the Aprilia Tuono, and but Manny from Moto Million lost to me on that very same bike. So if anything else, this is a demonstration that weight really matters when racing these super bikes. Look at that beautiful bird about to land at Miami International Airport. That's a Lufthansa plane coming in for its landing on this beautiful day. December 20th, great weather, and hanging out with some of my good buddies out here. We got to do a lot. Got to ride a lot of bikes today and put the smackdown on several individuals